Hello everyone. Welcome back to Luxury Car Show. Today, in this video, we are going to review one of the most popular, family-friendly, and fuel-efficient cars in Pakistan, the Suzuki Wagon R. In this video, we will cover a complete walkaround of the car, including its exterior, interior, engine performance, mileage, and overall comfort. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Starting with the exterior of the Suzuki Wagon R, the design is simple but smart. At the front, you get a clean-looking grille along with large halogen headlights that provide good visibility during night driving. The tall body design gives the car a unique look and also makes it very spacious from the inside. From the side, you can see body-colored door handles and side mirrors, and despite being a compact car, it feels well balanced on the road. This car is especially suitable for city driving. Moving towards the rear, the Suzuki Wagon R comes with vertical tail lights and a practical design. The boot space is decent for daily use, and you can fold the rear seats to carry extra luggage when needed. This makes the car quite practical for families. Now let's step inside the cabin. As soon as you sit inside, the first thing you notice is the excellent headroom. Even tall passengers can sit comfortably. The dashboard design is simple and user-friendly, with the speedometer mounted in the center. The car comes with power windows, power steering, and both manual and AGS transmission options. The seats are comfortable, making it a good choice for family use. Talking about the engine and performance, the Suzuki Wagon R is powered by a 1000cc K-series engine. The engine delivers smooth performance and is known for its low maintenance cost. It performs well both in city driving and on highways. This car is not built for aggressive driving but is perfect for comfortable daily use. When it comes to fuel average, the Suzuki Wagon R really stands out. It gives around 14 to 16 kilometers per liter in city driving, while on highways it can deliver up to 18 to 20 kilometers per liter. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest strengths of this car. If we talk about positives, the Suzuki Wagon R offers excellent mileage, a spacious interior, easy maintenance, and is a great option for families and ride-hailing services. On the downside, the interior does not feel very premium, and safety features are limited. So this was the complete walkaround review of the Suzuki Wagon R. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Car Show. Stay connected with us for more car reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.